and got some. So I got a first aid kit. That's backwards, but got a first aid kit. So, oh, in here we've got first aid tape. Well, you know what's in there in a first aid kit. Why are you stuck in there? Oh. I got like a chain, like alarm thing. Because you know, like, over London, like, you never know. Oh, it's got a torch on it. How do you actually make... It's my alarm! What? It's gonna be that loud. What? Yeah, I'm not touching that again. So it's the next day, it's Tuesday now, and I'm about to leave to get my eyebrows done. It's actually really hot today, so that's a bit weird that because it shouldn't be that hot like in September. Probably it's like 24 degrees in the middle of the day, so that'll be fun. So yeah, I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. I've got an appointment at 11:30. It's 11 now. Then I'm gonna go hand in my stuff to my work because I have finished work now. Obviously, because I can't work there when I'm at uni because it's across the country. And then actually start back in today. So yeah, I guess when you see us properly, you'll have my eyebrows done. I might look a bit different. Okay, so I'm back from getting my eyebrows done. They're not bad. Pretty good. Obviously a lot thinner than what I'm used to. This one's definitely my favourite one. Just because it's the same shape, obviously, because I've just got less hair there. So it didn't attach, like didn't it? So yeah, but it'll look really good once I fill it in. Oh, I didn't show the jeans I got. So I got some blue jeans because I literally don't own many pants. And I don't know if I'm gonna focus. Okay, so I got blue jeans. Just got some with a straight leg. I'll put a clip of me trying them on. I haven't tried them on yet, so that's fun. But yeah, I need some proper pants, like normal trousers. Oh my god, jeans. Normal jeans. I need normal jeans. Right. They're decently high-waisted. They're comfy.
I think they're fine. Like, it's literally just the bottom's a bit too long, that's all.
And the fade. I just don't like how it's so dark there and it fades.
No, I like how dark it is at the top. I think they're really nice jeans.
They're good in the middle.
Yeah, your bum actually looks really nice. I can say that as a lesbian.
I just don't know. What are the boundaries sweaty? I don't know how to do this. Oh, my bum does look good.
I told you.
Ooh.
I told you. It's got the lesbian stamp of approval, you know you're fine. I think they look fine. It's literally just the bottom that needs like...
Yeah.
I can get my mama to do it like tonight. So.
Yeah. It was going to be heavy.
There is one that's fucking about 20, by the way.
Huh?
Only one of them was fair though.
Yeah, I know.
In chat.
Alright. I know. I was the one that got the other one. There you go. So that's my laundry bag. And then this is a weekend bag I'm gonna take to go see my boyfriend. So it's obviously a lot bigger, but like, yes, that's my laundry bag and my washing bag. And that's weekend bag. So yeah. Also, I said I did hand in my, I was gonna say costume. I did hand in my uniform to wear. Oh, let's unfocus. Okay, so I filled in my eyebrows a little bit, and it's not too bad. Trying to see what I look like with my hair up. I need a scrunchie. Ah, 1 second. Oh, this is not a good angle. I look like an egg. Oh my god, I look like more like an egg than I did before. Come on. Come on. Right. It's really bad attempt to put my hair up. Oh yes! Oh, pizza! Pizza! I feel like I look like an egg. Apple. It's fine. Now we're getting pizza, if you couldn't tell. Goddamn knows. I will show you. Pizza?
Pizza!
Pizza!
Pizza! Mamma mia! The pizza! That's yours. I don't care if my ass is on YouTube, like, literally do not care.
Is that mine? Oh, yeah. Look at that!
Zoe!
Why is it like a massive bit of pepper?
Yeah, that looks sexy. Like, that looks sexy.
Go on then.
Do you like garlic dip?
I love garlic dip.
I don't.
Yeah,
Ew, it's hot. Why is
I don't either, so you
so
can have
hot.
mine too.
Hell yeah. Okay, so it's the next stage. You can probably tell, and tonight I'm going to go golf with one of my friends before I leave. Go golf's like mini golf, but it's like adult themed, I guess. So I'll definitely vlog there. So I'm about to start getting ready now. I might go on a call with my boyfriend while I'm getting ready. Okay, so I finished my makeup. I'm not putting eyelashes on because my eyelashes falling out, but yeah, I'm wearing this outfit. It's pretty much the same outfit I wore to Sam Fender, but with my new jeans on. Just keep it more casual. I'll be wearing my Air Force as well, so yeah, I'll vlog on my phone from now. Eight, 9, oh, 9, go on. I won.
No, I won.
What?
2 points.
so what evening was a lot of fun. Yeah, I just went there to see my boyfriend for the last time before I moved to London. Yeah, we would have spent most of the time in his house. Spent some time with his cat Murphy. Watched an Amazon Prime show, The Boys, which we love. I ate a whole pack of share bag of chocolate buttons, which was fun, and I ate a lot. And then yeah, I got back pretty late. Was too tired to film anything. There wasn't much to film on the train when it's pitch black anyway, so that's why I didn't film. But for today, just concentrate on packing, honestly. So I haven't. Oh, I thought the door was gonna slam there. So I didn't get my laptop back. That wasn't very fun. They've only just started working on it now, which is fantastic. But luckily, I'm coming back at the end of the coming week, so that's fine because I'll be able to get it just before the course starts. If that door slams, I swear to God. Yeah. As for the day, I've literally just been like finishing up packing. Had the Sunday lunch, as you probably saw. It was really lovely. Also had chocolate cake. I don't know if I took a picture of that, but I had homemade chocolate cake and it was gorgeous. But yeah, I've finished packing now. I'm not finished packing. I've done most of it. I've done most of my bits and bobs as well. And I'm getting picked up at 6 o'clock, 6:30 in the morning tomorrow, so that is fantastic. But yeah. My dad came to pick up my stuff, most of my stuff before. I'm starting to feel really real now, like I'm literally moving across the country, like what the fuck. Oh, like I'm literally moving across the country, like it's crazy. Yeah, so I'm literally just packing up my backpack now, and that's like the last thing I've got to do. These videos will be a bit delayed because I don't have my laptop, which means I can't edit, but yeah, I'll try and smash out as quickly as I can with the video, which will be the fitness one, and then the uni ones. This is the first uni one, and then I'm doing a video starting tomorrow of like travel down with this, like show you my room tour, empty room tour, etc, etc, like my first day. But if I don't get enough footage, I'll make it into another week in my life vlog kind of thing. So if I don't get a chance to sign up when I get back from the night out, this will be my sign off. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like my video, and comment down what your favourite part was, or if you're going to uni and when you're starting your course, or if you've moved in, like that kind of stuff, and where you're going as well. So yeah, bye.